Okay, children, today we'll be doing the topic of, anyone know? Y'all never visit the worksheet ah? Oh, I feel so hurt.
I did. I don't remember what is it.
Jovian, do you manage to visit the worksheet? Do you manage to see the worksheet? Yes? Okay, so what are we doing today? Do you know? All right, today we are going to do something called money, money, money. It's so funny. All right, so today we'll be doing some money, all right?
It.
Sorry?
I didn't get what you did.
Money, money, money. It's so funny.
I don't get it.
You don't get
money.
it? No, it's supposed to be rhymes.
Money.
Money, money, money. Okay, I still waiting for one of my students. Shiloh not here yet.
Maybe she's gonna be late.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so anyway, you guys know that we are doing this class dojo thing, right? So actually for the Jovia, I opened an account for her also, and Dawn, I also opened an account for you already. All right, so later I will send you some of the link. All right. So today, today the whole class, I think the who is coming in. All right, so let's just put in as attendance all. All right, and guess what?
It was 5 minutes earlier.
Yes, I know. That's what I'm going to do. Dawn come in 5 minutes earlier, so he got extra point. Jovia come in 5 minutes earlier, she got extra point. Who's this? Rudran come in 5 minutes earlier, he got extra point. And who is this? Shiloh. Why Shiloh? Not here yet, naughty girl. All right, and Vanish. All right.
Shiloh get a point.
Yeah, she usually comes on the dot at 5:30. Hey, as you can see, right, there's something called the class story here, or the portfolio. Can I get y'all to go and try to look at the homework or not? Like week 3, week 9, right? There's an extra homework. You all know about it?
I tried to do that, but it's not working. So when I click the homework button in the number one, there's like no place to put the answer.
No, you are supposed to answer the question, take a picture, and put it up into the portfolio.
Oh, I never.
Okay, that's perfectly okay. Don't worry about it. Okay, come. The time now is 5:30, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's begin lesson. Let's not wait for the what's her name? Shiloh. Okay, maybe she go holiday. I also don't know. Okay, so let's begin. So children, welcome to 88 Tuition. Today we'll be doing the P3 Math Worksheet 10. And guess what? We are talking about something called money, money, money. It's not funny. All right, children. So can you all please erase away the annotation that you all just did? All right, because I like to have a blank piece of paper here. Is that okay? Oh my goodness, who drew me the box? Rudran.
Yeah.
Okay, so hold on your annotation portion. You know why?
It's so straight.
Yeah, I can see that his box is very straight. Hold on your annotation, children.
Because it's when you're...
Okay. Oh. And today we are going to do a little bit. We always start off with something called what first? Vanish, we always start off with something called what? Tell me.
I need to go toilet.
Oh my goodness, Dawn. All right, please go. Hurry up. Come back.
Okay.
Oh, yo. All right, so usually we start off with something called mental sum first before the lesson start. All right, so mental sum, I need you students to answer your question. Is that okay?
Okay. Who's first?
Okay, so today maybe we can start off with Dawn went toilet, right? Okay, we start with
me.
Okay, we can start with Rudran first. After Rudran, we can start off. We can go on with Jovia. Did I pronounce it correctly, Jovia? All right, we can go on with Jovia, then Vanish, then Dawn. Is that okay?
Okay.
All right, so Rudran, do you want to show them how you can begin with the first question?
Okay.
Okay, you see, so once I click, right, Rudran will have to answer. Look, ready, let's go.
9.
9. All right, so can you see that Rudran got the answer before the answer comes out? So he is within time. Very good. All right, so just now he said 9 before this blue answer came out. So he's quite fast. All right. Jovia, are you ready? Want to try yours? Give it a try. You need to on your volume first. Okay, ready? Let's see.
Oh. 49.
Very good, huh? Wow. That is very good. All right. It seems like your timetable from 6 to 12, right? You're getting very strong at it. Good job. Good job. All right. 7 times 7 is 49. Good, good. Vanish, are you there? Vanish. Earth calling Vanish. Are you there? Oh no, I think she go toilet also. Dawn, are you there?
I am there.
Vanish, are there? Okay, come. Vanish, are you ready? Can I see you on the video, please? Vanish, can I have you on the video? Ready? Ready for a question? Okay, ready, let's go.
42.
48. Very close, very close. Good try, good try. You're almost there. Good job, Vanish. Good job. Dawn, are you there?
I'm almost done.
Okay, almost done. Okay, never mind. Rudran, we come back to you first, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's go, Rudran. This is yours.
8.
8. Very good. Not bad. Your division is also good, your subtraction is good.
I'm going with my mental sum.
Yeah, very good. All right. So children in primary 3, right? Just to let you know, your mental sum is super important. If your mental sum is strong, right? You'll be very, very strong in your P4, 5, and 6. I agree with you that P5 and P6, you can use your calculator, but many of the case, you still need to have your mental sum that is strong. All right. So train up on your mental sum. Okay, you can do it.
I've got a certificate for mental and abacus.
Wow, really? Not bad, huh? All right. So, Jovia, your turn. All right, I think you didn't on your volume, but you were saying 45, right? Right. You were saying under your breath. I can see your movement of your lips. Good job. All right. So 9 times 5 is 45. Good job. Vanish, are you there? Can I have your face on the video, please? Okay, ready? Yours, Vanish, your one, ready, Try to get this correct. You can do it. Just not the answer, the same one.
49.
42, Just now you saw 42, right? You say 42, and now it's supposed to be 42, but you didn't say 42. So children, please recall a little bit. 6 times 7, 42. All right. 6 times 8, 48. All right. And just now, as what Jovia says, 7 times 7, 49. So these are the 3 actually I find a little bit difficult one. All right. So personally, I do not like it. All right. But please, all right, if you can, do remember it. Can? All right. Next one. Dawn, are you ready? Okay. Dawn, ready? Let's go.
Don't tell me you're busy playing with the filters.
All right. You're supposed to say the answer. You're supposed to say the answer before. Sorry, again, Dawn?
I haven't answered yet.
Yes, I know. You're supposed to say it before the answer comes out. So there's a timer. So you have to be fast. It's mental sum. You cannot let you think for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Right? All right, then that's not called mental sum already. That's called slow sum.
For my mental.
All right. So down here, remember 14 plus 18, right? Rudran, can you? Yeah, let me talk. All right, 14 plus 18 is 32. All right, so actually you can do the calculation in your head. 14 and 18, right? 8 plus 4 is a 12. So there must be a 2 behind. So the 14 and the 18, 1 plus 1 plus additional 1, it will be a 32. You can actually do the calculation in your head. Right? Don't worry. All right, you can do it one. Now back to Rudran. Rudran, ready?
What am I doing? Okay. Yep. 72.
Very good. All right. So he said the answer before the answer comes out. So there's a timer before it. All right. He made it. Good. Jovia, can I get you to unmute yourself? Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Let's go.
60.
Wow. You see? Super fast. All right. You see the answer still going to come up, but she got the answer already. Yeah. There'll be some difficult question. There'll be some easy question. Don't worry. Ken? And Vanish, are you ready? Are you there? Can I have you on video again? Vanish? All right, ready? You can you please unmute yourself? Later you cannot say, okay, Vanish, ready? Your turn.
Seven.
Okay, you say that in time. All right, today you seems to be you getting the quite a difficult one, Vanish. All right, so can you please go and train up on your 7 and 8 timetable? Very important. All right, these 2 timetable is the hardest. All right, I would imagine. So if you can, please train up on your 7 and 8 timetable. Can Vanish promise me that?
I know.
Can? Okay. Next, Dawn, are you ready? Ready? Okay, let's go.
Oh, that's too hard. That's too hard.
21 divided by 7 is a 3. All right, it's okay, don't worry, this is your first time. All right, so actually, right, this is part of the 7 timetable, or you can think of it as part of the 3 timetable also. All right, so probably you can think 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. How many fingers? 7 fingers. All right.
But that will take a time.
All right, so 21 divided by 7 is a 3. 3 times 7 is a 21. All right, so slowly, Dawn. All right, I need you to be strong in your mental sum. All right, the rest of them, right? Can you see that the rest of them, like Rudran and Vanish, last time they are not that good also, but slowly, they improve themselves a lot. Can? All right, so don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. All right, come. Next one is Rudran. Back to you.
Why this again? 42. 32.
32. You're almost there. Rudran. Not bad. You're almost there. All right. So again, subtraction is also part of the mental sum down here. Jovia, can I get you to unmute yourself? Are you ready? Okay, let's go.
42.
This one is tough. All right. So again, why is it tough? Because it belongs to the 8 timetable. So 8 times 7, 56. 8 times 7, 56. 56 divided by 7 is a 8. 56 divided by 8 is a 7. Can? All right, Jovia, it's okay. Don't worry about it. All right. So same thing. Try to train up on your 7 and 8 timetable. All right. Make yourself stronger. You can do it.
All the questions.
All right. And Vanish, next one is yours. Ready? Vanish, can I have you on video, please?
Why does she keep doing this?
I don't know. Vanish, are you there?
She's not there.
Okay, Vanish, you're there. Can you unmute yourself, please?
Her name is Vaishnavi, not Vanish.
All right, but I've been calling her Vanish and she likes it. Okay, so Vanish, okay? Can you unmute yourself? Yeah, I'm going to ask you the question. Okay, next. Here.
Oh.
Okay, so children, as you can see, right? Children, as you can see, 21 minus 17. Can I teach you to count upwards instead? So 17, how do you get to 21? 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 is a 4. Can you see that? So don't always think of trying to subtract 21 minus 17. How? Don't panic. Learn to count upwards instead. All right, so now you're at 17, you count 18, 19, 20 to reach 21. So it's a 4. Is that okay? All right, so every time, right, you don't have to, just subtract or just add. You have to think of other ways in order to get to the answer fast. Can? All right, Dawn, are you ready?
Yeah. And please. No.
32 divided by 8 is a 4. All right. Rudran, can you please, wait. All right, so Dawn, can you see that I think your division is a little bit weak? All right, I think your division is a little bit weak. So your school is doing something called multiplication and division, yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, all right. So you have to train up also. All right, doesn't mean that your school teacher asks you to do, then you do. All right, during these holidays, right, if you can, all right, look at your do you have this mental sum sheet? All right, you can go and read through. Keep trying to memorize it. Can? It's supposed to be mental sum, it has to be fast. Can? All right, don't worry about it. All right, just try your best. All right, and Rudran, are you okay for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Oh, Shiloh is here. All right, Rudran, come.
Hello. I just see Joy Tan. 8.
Yes, wow. Seriously, Rudran. All right. Hey, dear students, can you see or not? All right, these are your primary 3 classmates. All right, if Rudran can do it, right, the rest of you can do it also. Seriously. All right, so mental sum, very important for your P3 and P4. Trust me on that. Hello, Shiloh.
Why are you so late?
Hello, Shiloh, are you there? Can you on your video, please?
I don't think she's there.
She's there, don't worry. I have faith in her. Shiloh? Okay, very good, nice. Okay, so next one, I think there's one more. Jovia, are you ready?
I thought she needs to do one.
Okay, Rudran, can you please? Yeah. Jovia, ready? Let's go. Oh no, this is tough, right? This is tough. All right. Okay, so this type of question, right? What do I do? All right, this one is question is 26 minus what? 9, right? Children, listen to me.